Hey guys, Deva Mr. one more time. Today I'm going to talk about JavaScript. As my previous session, I have already talked about JavaScript. Right now, I'm going to talk about what is JavaScript and what is the uses of JavaScript. JavaScript mainly used by the programmers across the world to create dynamic and interactive web content. Like applications and browsers, JavaScript is so popular that it's the most used programming language in the world. Used as a client-side programming language by 97% of all websites. So, what are the uses of JavaScript? Today, I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, guys. So here we can see that what are the uses of JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is a lightweight object-oriented programming language that is used by several websites for scripting the web pages. It is an interpreted full-fledged programming language. JavaScript enables dynamic interactivity and websites when it is applied to an HTML document. JavaScript helps the users to build modern web applications to interact directly with reloading the page every time. JavaScript is commonly used to dynamically modify HTML and CSS. To update a user interface by the DOM API, it is mainly used in web applications. Let's discuss the uses of JavaScript. Some of the uses of JavaScript are represented in this following image. Okay, you can see in this image, I'm going to discuss it elaborately. Okay, web application. As day by day, there is a continuous improvement in the browsers. So JavaScript gained popularity for making robust web applications. We can understand it by taking the example of Google Maps. In Maps, users just require to click and drag the mouse. The details are visible just by a click. There is the use of JavaScript behind the concept. Okay. Second one is web development. JavaScript is commonly used for creating web pages. It allows us to add dynamic behavior to the web page and add special effects to the web page. One website, it is mainly used for validation purposes. JavaScript helps us to execute complex actions and also enables the interaction of websites with visitors using JavaScript. It is also possible to load the content in a document without reloading the web page. Mobile applications. Nowadays, mobile devices are broadly used for accessing the internet. Using JavaScript, we can also build an application for non-web context. The features and uses of JavaScript make it a powerful tool for creating mobile applications. The React Native is the widely used JavaScript framework for creating mobile applications. Using React Native, we can build mobile applications for different operating systems. We do not require writing different codes for the iOS and Android operating systems. We only need to write it once and run it on different platforms. Game. JavaScript is also used for creating games. It has various libraries and frameworks for creating a game. The game can either be a 2D or 3D. Some JavaScript game engines such as Physics.js, Pixie.js help us to create a web game. We can also use the WebGL, okay, web graphics library, which is the JavaScript API to render 2D and 3D images on browsers. Presentations. JavaScript also helps us to create presentations as a website. The libraries such as Rebel.js and Bespoke.js can be used to create a web-based site deck. The They are easier to use, so we can easily make something amazing in a short time. The Rebel.js is used to create interactive and beautiful slide decks with the help of HTML. These presentations work great with mobile devices and tablets. It is also support all of the CSS color formats. The Bespoke.js includes animated bullet lists, responsive scaling, and a wide variety of features. Server applications. The fifth one is server application. A large number of web applications have a server side to them. JavaScript is used to generate content and handle HTTP requests. JavaScript can also run on servers through Node.js. The Node.js provides an environment containing the necessary tools required for JavaScript to run on servers. Seventh one is web servers. A web server can be created by using Node.js. Node.js is event driven and not waits for the response of the previous call. The servers created using Node.js are fast and don't use buffering and transfer chunks of data. The HTTP module can be used to create the server by using the create server method. This method executes when someone tries to cross the port 8080. As a response, the HTTP server should display HTML and should be included in the HTTP header, sorry, HTTP server. In this article, we discussed various JavaScript applications. JavaScript has various other uses that help us to improve the performance of web pages. The other uses of JavaScript are listed as follows. The first one is client side validation. The second one is displaying data and time. The third one is to validate the user input before submission of the form. The fourth one is open and close new windows. The fifth one is to display dialog boxes and pop-up windows. The sixth one is to change the appearance of HTML document. The seventh one is to create the form that respond to user input without accessing the server. So these are the things about JavaScript. Okay, in my today's session, I have talked about JavaScript, where JavaScript use, what is the uses of JavaScript. Okay, so guys, kindly go through my channel, visit all my videos, and get that knowledge about all the technologies, all the programming language, how to be a coder. I have already discussed about that in my channel, so you can go through all those videos and get proper information. And being a brand ambassador of Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited, I would request you kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and kindly comment on my videos. Okay, so bye for now, guys. This is for today's session. I'm going to connect with you in any other session. Okay, bye. Have a good day.